In the world of heavy industries, performance and durability are not just goals, they are necessities. At IMCO Alloys, we engineer solutions that redefine what's possible. Introducing the Swing Type Fibrizor, a machine built to handle the toughest materials with unmatched precision and strength. At IMCO, innovation begins with design. Our expert engineers use advanced 3D modeling, finite element analysis, and stress simulations to create a fibrizor that delivers unparalleled durability and performance. Every component is crafted with precision. From advanced casting techniques to high-precision machining, we ensure every part meets the highest standards of quality. Trusted in over 50 countries, the Swing Type Fibrizor is the backbone of sugar industries. It's built to endure the harshest conditions and deliver consistent performance. With features like superior shock absorption, heavy-duty construction, and customizable designs, the Swing Type Fibrizor ensures efficiency, durability, and reliability.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.